Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to change Dodge Durango headlight bulb, only ways. Park on level ground, set the parking brake, open the hood, and disconnect the negative battery cable first. Gather a replacement bulb, gloves, and a screwdriver. Work with good lighting and a small flashlight for tight spaces. Keep parts organized and avoid touching the bulb glass to prevent early failure. Prepare by collecting the correct bulb type, gloves, safety glasses, and basic tools like a screwdriver and pliers. Make sure the engine is cool and avoid hot components. Use a container to keep fasteners together and mark removal order with your phone camera if needed. Double-check the new bulb matches the old one and handle it only by the base to prevent oil contamination. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like for more clear and friendly car maintenance tips. Quick recommendation. On another note, the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum Robot Face is fantastic for picking up dust and debris after a garage project, with voice control and smart mapping that saves you time. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Start by removing the retaining screws and gently pulling the headlight assembly forward for access. Disconnect the wiring harness from the bulb socket and rotate the socket counterclockwise to release it. Carefully extract the old bulb, avoiding contact with the glass, and install the new bulb by pushing in and twisting to lock. Reconnect the harness, test the lights, and resecure the assembly with the screws, ensuring alignment and fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.